Socorex is a manufacturer of precision liquid handling instruments based in the Swiss Health Valley, where you can find most of the research centers, universities, pharma, and diagnostic companies, as well as thousands of biotech and medtech firms. Socorex aims at producing reliable volumetric instruments used either in the laboratory field, such as micropipettes and dispensers, or in the veterinary field, such as animal health injectors. The design of Socorex instruments is user-centered and based on reliable, durable, and flexible assets. We conceive and design our products for total ergonomics and the respect of user health and safety. They are easy to maintain thanks to fully interchangeable parts, and their innovative design contributes to broad and flexible use. Socorex controls the entire value chain. Our engineering team conceives the products and industrialization methods. We are experts in medtech and high-mech production, such as Teflon microdosed projection or barrel piston adjustment. All the manufacturing steps are controlled according to our quality system. Our internal laboratories, ISO 17025 accredited, offers a large expertise in maintenance and calibration for all existing pipette and dispenser brands. Socorex business relies on a strong and loyal reseller network in Switzerland and worldwide for both laboratory instruments and veterinary syringes. Our distributors keep local stock and provide service, calibration, and training to end users. We are a Swiss company, family-owned. As such, we prioritize human values in our relationships and communication. The loyalty of our distributors attests to their high satisfaction level for Socorex and its products. We thank them for this strong, long-term partnership.